All right, check out my screen here. This is all about this Harbor Freight Stanley tool set scam that's going around. Hit the like button down below, the thumbs up button that will tell Google and YouTube my video has value, and hopefully get it to the top of Google search results so that people find my video and they don't fall for this. That's really big. Hit the like button down below. So I received this email myself. It claims to be from Harbor Freight, Harbor Freight Tools, whatever. It's not. It's a scam email, and it says your Stanley toolkit is packed. Harbor Freight, got a minute? Take our quick survey for a chance to win. Stanley tool set. Enter survey now. And you might be thinking, wow, it's a great toolkit. Great Stanley tool set. And if it comes with this big drawer thing, that's amazing, right? So you go to claim your prize now, and it will load up delusioncal.com, which will then redirect, probably, I'm guessing, to something.victorylane.st. And it says, dear customer, congratulations. We would like to offer you a unique opportunity to receive a brand new Stanley tool set. To claim, simply take the short survey. Okay, sounds reasonable enough, right? This is not on the Harbor Freight Tools website. You have to look at your web address bar at the top of the screen, and you'll see it says something.victorylane.st. So it doesn't matter what you answer here. You can answer anything because your answers aren't being compiled somewhere. This is just nothing. It's a fake survey just to make you think it has legitimacy, and it doesn't at all. Get to the very end, it's going to be like, congratulations, we think you've won. IP address check for some reason. Products available in stock? Check. 3 checks. All right. And look at that. We're going to be able to get a $500 Stanley tool set for free, a 170-piece Stanley tool set. Claim now, continue, and it will take you to, at the end of the process, promograbhunt.com. So many of these scam websites. This is going to be it's going to say 4 in stock here. See, I told you. And it's going to go 3 in stock, 2 in stock. It's going to become red. This is a hidden subscription scam. You might have another word for it. But what this is, they've lied to you to make you think you're going to get something. And buried in the terms and conditions, they don't want you to know this, they're going to charge you money every month, which you have not been informed of course. It says pay only $11.42. That is not true. So they want you to fill out your information here, which probably will appear on mobile at the very top of the page, but they don't want you to scroll all the way down. First off, contact us information. Is there anything here? Yes. And if anyone needs this, 866-907-1312. I mean, they're scammers. I don't know how helpful that's going to be. Or support at promograbhuntsupport.com. Great domain name, guys. Really inventive. And I always have the feeling that these specific kinds of scams are coming from people within the US, like in Doral, Florida, or somewhere near with like a P.O. box in downtown San Diego, or like Garden Grove, California, something like that. But I don't know where they are. Terms and conditions. Says here that you're going to be paying $13.78, which is not the same price that you were quoted on the previous page. But let's go all the way down. Is it the very end? Do they specify? I'm curious if they do or don't specify the information I'm looking for here. Yeah, they don't. So they call it a trial period, and you'll be billed at the full price every 30 days thereafter, but they don't tell you what that's going to be, the full price. They sometimes do. Sometimes it's like $70, sometimes it's hundreds of dollars. Whatever it is, you don't want to get involved in this. You're not going to get a free Stanley tool set. If an online offer seems way too good to be true, it probably is. And in this case, it's definitely going to be. So like, comment, subscribe. The thanks button is down below. It's a heart-shaped symbol with the $sign. If you appreciate videos like mine, please hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And that's just about it. Thank you so much for watching.